Think all pressure washer guns are fragile? Most spray guns break easily, but not this one. Built tough, designed to last. The swivel gun's handle features a smooth curve, leaving more space for big hands. Easy nozzle switch for any job. Powerful enough for patios and furniture, and perfect for cars. Meet your new cleaning beast. If you worry about buying a gun that won't connect well to your accessories, we'll help you. Five nozzles, one gun. Endless possibilities. Hit the link in bio and upgrade your pressure game today.